Hi, crypto fans. This is Jason from SA Shares, and today we are going to be taking a look at EXMO. I am going to show you what the exchange is all about, the features of the EXM token, some of the best wallets you can use, and so much more. Remember to subscribe to our channel and hit that notification bell to stay up to date with our latest whale to the moon coin. Let's get into it. EXMO is a beginner-friendly cryptocurrency exchange that was founded in 2014, and this exchange has offices in the United Kingdom, Ukraine, Poland, Lithuania, and the United States. On average, more than 23,000 users trade on this exchange, with over $200 million worth of crypto being processed on a daily basis. This exchange is compliant with strict anti-money laundering policies and is one of the safest crypto exchanges in the world. EXMO offers VIP trading conditions, a referral program, staking rewards, a great selection of cryptocurrencies, and a native platform coin that you can use to increase your discounts and trading bonuses. This is a highly sophisticated exchange, with a wide range of products and services that go far beyond simply trading cryptocurrencies. So let's find out why EXMO is one of our top-rated crypto exchanges. EXMO offers everything from staking rewards and referral programs to a multi-currency wallet, gift cards, and VIP trading services. By joining EXMO, you will have access to EXMO's premium account packages and EXMO Prime, which we highly recommend for professionals. With EXMO Prime, you can choose from 4 types of account packages, which are designed to reduce all trading fees on EXMO's platform. The basic package is suitable for beginners and offers up to 33% discounts on fees, but you can get 100% off your trading fees if you use the professional package. EXMO's premium packages are valid for 30 days, but you can try different packages and renew your package at any time or set up automatic renewals from the client portal. To make use of EXMO Premium, you will need to buy some EXMO coins or EXM. EXM is EXMO's native exchange coin, and there are many advantages to owning these coins when you join EXMO. Some of the benefits of EXM coins include higher cashback rates and lower commission fees, exclusive access to newly listed trading pairs, discounted rates when you pay margin fees using EXM coins, and access to EXMO's cloud mining network. You will also be able to vote on token listings, and EXM coin owners can test new features that are added on the EXMO platform. By owning EXMO coins, you will receive much higher rewards through the referral program, and you will also get access to 24/7 VIP customer support. You can easily buy EXM directly from EXMO's trading exchanges. When you use the Simple Mode exchange, simply type EXM into the search field, click on Buy, and complete the transaction. In addition to EXMO's premium packages, this exchange also offers institutional-grade trading conditions for professional traders, corporate clients, and high-net-worth individuals. With EXMO's Prime package, you will get exclusive access to an OTC desk with deep liquidity and an experienced team of financial experts and portfolio managers. EXMO can also be used for staking, and all you need to do is open an account, add cryptocurrencies to your wallet, and choose one of these staking contracts. EXMO offers high interest returns on popular coins such as Atom and DOT, but you can also stake your EXM coins to earn up to 17% interest annually. Staking is a safe and profitable way to put your assets to use when you are not trading them. To find out more about the cryptocurrencies you can stake with EXMO, click on either the Staking tab or go to the staking page from the client portal. Creating an account with EXMO is simple, and you can easily create an account in a few easy steps. Firstly, launch the EXMO homepage, and then click on the Sign Up button. Enter your email address and choose a strong password for your account. If you were referred by a friend, enter the referral code in the designated field provided. Next, verify your email address and account, and don't forget to submit any necessary documentation. Once your account is verified and approved, you can make your first deposit and start trading. EXMO offers a secure, sophisticated multi-currency wallet that can be used to make deposits and withdrawals. Once you've created an account with EXMO, you will automatically have a wallet that you can access at any time by clicking on the Wallet button. Your EXMO wallet supports dozens of cryptocurrencies and can be used to store up to 5 types of fiat currencies, including US dollars, euros, and pounds. After you've funded your wallet, you can easily make deposits and withdrawals directly from the wallet, and any cryptocurrencies you buy will automatically be added to your wallet. If you are already using another digital wallet, you can easily withdraw your assets to that wallet by using EXMO's gift card. The gift card can be used to top up your EXMO account, transfer funds to other EXMO users, and use your crypto outside of EXMO's exchange. To fund your EXMO account, open your wallet, click on Deposit, and add your bank card details to your account if it's your first time funding your account. You can use MasterCard, Visa, AdvCash, and Payeer, but the EXMO gift card can also be used. Once you've created an account with EXMO, you'll be able to buy and sell cryptocurrencies from the exchange. The exchange can be viewed in simple mode and advanced mode, and if you are new to crypto trading, we recommend using simple mode. Advanced mode is a traditional crypto exchange with charts, order books, and a great selection of more advanced trading tools. It comes with a variety of prediction and measurement tools, pattern indication tools, and drawing tools that you can use to personalize your workspace and refine your trading strategies. Whichever mode you decide to use, all you need to do is click on Buy or Sell once you've made a decision. You will find plenty of helpful articles and important updates by visiting the Support Center. The Support Center offers tips and advice on account management, using the platforms, and solving technical issues. It appears that EXMO does not currently have live chat support. However, you can easily submit a request directly from the Support Center, and one of their representatives will get back to you. You can also visit the FAQ page to see if any of your questions have already been answered. And if you need any more assistance, then EXMO's support team will always be ready to assist you. So what do we like about EXMO? EXMO's trading exchange can be viewed in 2 modes, which makes this platform a great option for beginners and professionals. With EXMO, you will have access to VIP services, exclusive token listings, and massive discounts on your trading fees when you use EXM coins. But you'll still have access to all the important features even without the EXM coin. If all you want to do is buy crypto, then there's no need to worry about complex charts, because EXMO's simple mode is easy to use and straightforward. However, if you are looking for more advanced tools and a powerful trading platform, then EXMO's advanced mode has everything you need to take your portfolio to the next level. EXMO clients have access to a great selection of products and features, but you can also earn achievements on this platform to keep track of your progress throughout your crypto journey. EXMO plans to open an online store and add copy trading functionality to the platform in the future. So if you are interested, be sure to follow their social media pages if you would like to stay in the loop. And if you are interested in trading with EXMO, be sure to open your account today and bring some friends along with you to claim your referral rewards and get a head start on your crypto trading career with one of the most secure, multi-purpose crypto exchanges in the industry. And that is our overview of EXMO. Be sure to subscribe to our channel and leave a like if you enjoyed this video. Remember to leave us a comment. Do you want us to research a project or coin? If so, leave the coin or the project name in the comments section, and we might cover it in our next few videos. And that's it from me for now. Thanks for watching, and as always, good luck with your investments.